To join my general knowledge key channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell button to watch all my general knowledge videos. The theory of relativity was propounded by Answer: Albert Einstein. The principal metal used in manufacturing steel is Answer: Iron. An altimeter is used for measuring Answer: Altitude. Oology is the study of Answer: Bird eggs. Radioactivity was discovered by Answer: Henry Bacquerel. The metal used in storage batteries is Answer: Lead. The instrument used to measure the relative humidity of air is Answer: Hygrometer. The unit of power is Answer: Watt. Radium was discovered by Answer: Marie and Pierre Curie. The existence of isotopes was discovered by Answer: Frederick Soddy. Dynamo was invented by Answer: Michael Faraday. The nuclear reactor was invented by Answer: Enrico Ferni. The law of gravitation was propounded by Answer: Sir Isaac Newton. Crescograph was invented by Answer: J.C. Bose. Crescograph is used to measure the Answer: Rate of growth of a plant. Galileo's first scientific discovery was Answer: Pendulum. Microscope was invented by Answer: Anton van Leeuwenhoek. The scientist who is known as the father of modern biology is Answer: Aristotle. The first person to see a cell under microscope was Answer: Robert Hooke. The smallest flowering plant is Answer: Orphea. The four blood groups were discovered by Answer: Karl Landsteiner. Atomic number of oxygen is Answer: 8. The basic building blocks of proteins are Answer: amino acids. An electroscope is used to Answer: detect charges on a body. An ammeter is used to measure Answer: electric current. Calorimeter is used to measure Answer: quantity of heat. Fruits that are formed without fertilization are called Answer: parthenocarpic. Plants that flower only once in their lifetime are called Answer: monocarpic. Botanical name for rice is Answer: Oryza Sativa. Penicillin is obtained from Answer: mold. Herpetology is the study of Answer: Reptiles. Entomology is the study of. Answer. Insects. Ornithology is the study of. Answer. Birds. Ichthyology is the study of. Answer. Fishes. Osteology is the study of. Answer. Bones. The study of sound is called. Answer. Acoustics. The study of heavenly bodies is called. Answer. Astronomy. The study of tissues is called. Answer. Histology. Electric lamp was invented by. Answer. Thomas Alva Edison. The fear of crowd is called. Answer. Ochlophobia. The fear of books is called. Answer. Bibliophobia. The symbol of gold is. Answer. Au. The symbol of sodium is. Answer. Na. Calcium sulfate is commonly called. Answer. Plaster of Paris. Sodium carbonate is commonly called. Answer. Washing soda. Sodium chloride is commonly known as. Answer. Common salt. The chemical name of baking soda is. Answer. Sodium bicarbonate. The chemical name of bleaching powder is. Answer. Calcium hydrochloride. The formula HCl stands for. Answer. Hydrochloric acid. The formula H2SO4 stands for. Answer. Sulphuric acid. The formula H2O2 stands for. Answer. Hydrogen peroxide. A fungus which can only survive on other living organisms is called. Answer. Obligate parasite. A plant which lives in the dark is called. Answer. Scotophyte. A plant adapted to live in dry places is called a. Answer. Xerophyte. A plant adapted for growth in water is called a. Answer. Hydrophyte. Bifocal lens was invented by. Answer. Benjamin Franklin. Cement was invented by. Answer. Joseph Swann. Laser was invented by. Answer. Dr. Charles H. Townes. Electromagnet was invented by. Answer. William Sturgeon. Rayon was invented by. Answer. Sir Joseph Swann. The science of organic forms and structures is known as. Answer. Morphology. Phycology is the study of. Answer. Algae. ISRO stands for. Answer. Indian Space Research Organization. The first human being to land on moon was. Answer: Neil Armstrong. The first Indian in space was. Answer: Rakesh Sharma. ISSE stands for. Answer: ISRO Satellite Center. VSSC stands for. Answer: Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. The headquarters of ISRO is located at. Answer: Bangalore. VSSC is located at. Answer: Tiruvananthapuram. National Science Center is located at. Answer: New Delhi. The first Indian satellite was. Answer: Aryabhatta. The first Indian satellite was launched in the year. Answer: 1975. ASLV stands for. Answer: Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. INSAT stands for. Answer: Indian National Satellite. The fear of women is known as. Answer: Gynophobia. The fear of man is known as. Answer: Androphobia. The scientist who developed the quantum theory was. Answer: Max Planck. The steam engine was invented by. Answer: James Watt. The botanical name of tea is. Answer: Camellia Sinensis. Logarithm were devised by. Answer: John Napier. The acid used in a car battery is. Answer: Sulphuric acid. The instrument that records the intensity of earthquakes is. Answer: Seismograph. The law of floating bodies was discovered by. Answer: Archimedes. The density of milk is measured by a. Answer: Lactometer. The instrument used to measure the pressure of gases is the. Answer: Manometer. The first atomic power station established in India was. Answer: Tarapur Atomic Power Station. The instrument used to measure the concentration of salt water is the. Answer: Salinometer. The symbol Zn stands for. Answer: Zinc. The symbol He stands for. Answer: Helium. Dynamics is the study of. Answer: Movements of bodies. Geology is the study of. Answer: Animal life. Botany is the study of. Answer: Plant life. Psychology is the study of. Answer: Human mind. A compound which contains only hydrogen and carbon is called a. Answer: Hydrocarbon. The three states of matter are. Answer: Solid, liquid and gas. The scientific name for blood platelets is. Answer. Thrombocytes. The response of a plant to heat is called. Answer. Thermotropism. The response of a plant to touch is called. Answer. Stigmotropism. The common name for potassium carbonate is. Answer. Potash. Toxicology is the study of. Answer. Poisons. Virology is the study of. Answer. Viruses. Paleontology is the study of. Answer. Fossils. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like in this video and share this video to all of your friends, students, kids. And also don't forget to subscribe my general knowledge YouTube channel.